Hi, my name is Michelle Ferguson and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet the cross double crochet stitch. This is the stitch I use for my Bonnie Bell patterns. I will link those in the description. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using some Wool of the Andes worsted weight yarn. This yarn is from We Crochet. It is a 100% Peruvian Highland wool worsted yarn, and I've got an I 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. I'm using the Furl Streamline wood hook. I will link both of these in the description. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, to start out the stitch, we want to chain a multiple of 3. So I'm going to start with chaining 30 chains. All right, I have completed 30 chains. I'm going to turn my chain around and work in the back bump. And I'm going to do 1 single crochet in the second chain from my hook and in each chain across for a total of 29 single crochet. All right, I've got 29 single crochet all the way across. Now I'm ready to start row 2. So for row 2, I'm going to chain 3, and that is going to count as my starting, or as my first double crochet stitch. So I'm not going to work into this very first stitch right here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to skip the next stitch as well, and I'm going to work 1 double crochet in the third stitch, and then another in the next stitch. So I've got 2 double crochet stitches right next to each other. Get my yarn situated. Okay. So I've got 2 double crochets right next to each other. To do a cross double crochet, what I'm going to do is I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to insert my hook into that first stitch, that second stitch that we skipped. So we did the chain 3 in the first, so that counts as your first. So then we skipped a stitch. I'm going to insert my hook into that stitch that we skipped. I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to pull up a loop. I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2, and then I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2 again. So I am doing my double crochet, crossing over the 2 that I just did. So let's do that again. We're going to skip 1 stitch, then we're going to do 1 double crochet in each of the next 2. Now we're going to work our cross double crochet stitch. So our cross double crochet stitch is all 3 of these stitches, really. It counts for all 3 of the stitches. So I'm going to yarn over. I'm going to insert my hook into the stitch that we skipped, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And let's do it again. Skip 1, do 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. We got to do our cross now, so we're going to yarn over, we're going to insert a hook into the stitch that we skipped, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you're going to repeat that all the way across. Skip 1, work 1 double crochet in each of the next 2. My yarn is not being cooperative. All right. Then we are going to do our cross over into the skip stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And I'm going to work that all the way across and show you what it looks like. All right, I've gotten to the end of my row. I have 1 stitch left. So for that last stitch, I'm going to do 1 double crochet stitch. And that is the end of row 2. All right, now we're ready to start our next row. So from here on out, we're just going to repeat row 2. So we've got our cross double crochets. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cross double crochets, and then we've got 2 double crochets on the end. So we're going to chain 3. That's going to count as our first double crochet. And we're going to work it the exact same way. We've got our 3 stitches from the cross double crochet, but 1 row below. We're going to skip that first stitch and work 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Now we're going to do our double crochet in the one we skipped. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook into the stitch that I skipped, and I'm coming up behind those 2 double crochets. So I'm grabbing my yarn, pulling up a loop. I've got 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. And that's how I'm crossing over the other double crochet. So skip 1 stitch, do 1 double crochet in each of the next 2. Then we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the 1 stitch that we skipped, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Skip 1, work 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then yarn over, insert my hook into the skip stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And it's really that simple. You skip 1, 1 double crochet in the next 2, yarn over, insert hook. So you're essentially just doing a double crochet into that skipped stitch, but you are crossing over the 2 stitches that you just did. And that's what it'll look like. So I'm going to finish out this row. All right, I've gotten to the end, and now I've got my starting chain 3 here. I'm going to work that last double crochet into the top of the chain 3 as my end. And that's what it looks like. That's how you do the cross double crochet stitch. I will link my Bonnie Bell crochet patterns in the description. These all feature this stitch. All those patterns feature the stitch. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.